Sarah had a problem most people never talk about. Every project at her company ended the same way. Stacks of handover documents, training guides, meeting notes, and long reports. When new team members joined, she'd send over the files and hope for the best. But people rarely read them. Even the ones who tried came back with the same questions. Reading through dozens of pages was overwhelming, and the important details got lost. Sarah found herself spending hours explaining the same things over and over again. Then a colleague introduced her to Ankon AI. Out of curiosity, she uploaded one of her handover documents. Within minutes, the platform had pulled out the key points, written a clear narration, and turned everything into a whiteboard video, complete with custom illustrations and a natural-sounding voice. She could even use a clone of her own voice if she wanted to. The results were immediate. New team members watched the video before opening the document. They understood the process faster, asked sharper questions, and Sarah stopped repeating herself. Now, whenever she wraps up a project or creates new documentation, she simply uploads it to Ankon AI and lets the platform do the work. Here's the truth. Most teams are sitting on valuable knowledge that's buried inside documents nobody actually reads. Turning that knowledge into something visual and engaging isn't just more convenient, it's more effective. If your team has important information that people struggle to absorb, it might be time to try a different approach. Visit ankonai.com and claim 5 free rendering credits to see how your next document can become something your team will actually watch, understand, and remember.